Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive pure handloom collections only for you. So let me display. Very soft, comfortable one based for your office wear. 24J T1 is saree code, 2300 is saree price. Very beautiful one, purple color, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk, and full base part is beautiful weaving, self weaving butta. This one is full base part. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, fully self weaving design. Full base part, very beautiful elegant one based for your office wear. Very trendy smart look, side portion pom pom design, and this one is pallu end also beautiful pom pom design, and side portion also pom pom design. Very beautiful one, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. And with this saree you will get running blouse piece but contrast color with weaving work. Very exclusive one for your smart looks. This one also very beautiful elegant one, beautiful color also. 24ZT2 is saree code, 2200 is saree price. Very nice one, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, pure handloom, soft silk with beautiful weaving, golden zari weaving border and butta also. Very nice one, soft, comfortable one. This one is full base part, very beautiful elegant look, soft, comfortable. This one is border portions, fine weaving design border, and this one is full base part, golden and silver zari contrast weaving butta, fully weaving butta. Very soft, comfortable one, lightweight, summer friendly, pure handloom, soft silk. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, a fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu. Very exclusive one, beautiful elegant color. And this one is full base part, full base is beautiful butta, fine weaving butta, golden and silver zari weaving butta. Very exclusive one. And this one is running blouse piece, plain with border, weaving border. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 2400, 2400 for your smart, elegant, trendy looks, trendy daily office looks. This one also very beautiful, gorgeous one. 24ZT3 is saree code, 3200 is saree price. Very beautiful, heavy work, bright color, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk with full base part is beautiful, fully heavy golden zari weaving work. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful golden zari weaving design, and this one is border portion, golden zari with fine weaving design, highlighted border, and this one is full base part. Very nice one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, blue shade, highlighted lines with beautiful fully heavy weaving work. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, based for your party wear also. And this one is full base part, full base is work, heavy weaving work, fully golden zari weaving work, dark magenta pink shade. And this one is running blouse piece, also cotton silk material with fully bouquet work. Very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. Very beautiful, smart, bright, elegant looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900, 3900 for your beautiful, bright looks. This one also very soft, comfortable one, based for your office wear. 24ZT4 is saree code, 2200 is saree price. Very beautiful, elegant one, silver zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk with silver zari, and full base part is beautiful weaving work, butta work. Very elegant one, self weaving design. This one is silver zari border, and this one is fine weaving design, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted silver zari stripes with butta work. Very exclusive one. soft, lightweight, comfortable, best for your office wear, regular wear, professional wear, very exclusive one. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, plain with border, and I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2450 for your beautiful smart looks. Very beautiful color, bright looks. 24ZT5 is saree code, 3400 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk, kota weaving, full base part is checks with contrast border. This one is full base part, beautiful kota checks, and this one is contrast color border, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk, checks pattern, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful work, highlighted stripes with beautiful cross stitching weaving pattern design, very exclusive one, fully hand weaving, cross stitching weaving design, highlighted temple with stripes, highlighted the pallu, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk material, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3700 for your beautiful bright looks, very trendy one. This one also very beautiful one, best for your office wear, daily wear. 24JT6 is a saree code, 2300 is a saree price, very nice one, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton slab, silver zari border, and full base part is ikat pattern, very trendy, exclusive looks. This one is full base part, beautiful ikat pattern, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, silver zari border, contrast black piping, and this one is full base part, very beautiful, elegant looks, very comfortable, summer friendly, best for your office wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with ikat pattern pallu, very smart looks, highlighted stripes, the pallu part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material printed, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2600 for your smart looks, very trendy, elegant one. This one also best for your party wear, bright looks. 24ZT7 is saree code, 3200 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silks and golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving design, full base part, beautiful weaving work, heavy work, and this one is golden zari border, highlighted the beautiful weaving buta on border part, and this one is full base part, beautiful fully hand weaving design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very exclusive one, golden pattern, golden zari weaving stripes pattern, and fully bouquet work. Pallu part very exclusive one, magenta, bright purple magenta base with golden pallu, very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, fully work, hand weaving design fully. This one is full base part is beautiful heavy work, and this one is running blouse piece, fully bouquet work, running blouse piece, very nice one, beautiful, smart, elegant looks, best for your party wear, very bright one. This one is very comfortable one, best for your office wear. 24ZT8 is saree code, 2200 is saree price, very bright, beautiful looks, very soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta. This one is fully beautiful, fully hand weaving buta design, silver zari border, yellow base, soft silk, and this one is buta design, black with white threaded contrast buta work, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also silver zari stripes, fine stripes pallu, very beautiful, bright, elegant looks. This one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful work. Very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, silver zari border, yellow base. Very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, very smart one. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving work, black base, contrast blouse piece with this saree. Fully silk material, fully self weaving design, contrast blouse piece. Very exclusive one, beautiful, bright, elegant looks. This one also very beautiful, exclusive, elegant collection. 24ZT9 is saree code, 4000 is saree price. Very bright one, elegant, bright looks, natural fabric, lane by lane, pure handloom. This one is full base part, and this one is bright, fully weaving border design, contrast pink piping, and this one is beautiful border design, silver zari with contrast yellow threaded fine weaving design border, highlighted temple with silver zari weaving, highlighted the border part. And this one is full base part, beautiful multicolor weaving buta. Base is grey, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one is pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, fully self weaving stripes, fully weaving stitching pattern stripes with beautiful floral buta, contrast color, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is border, fully self weaving, silver zari with contrast threaded weaving border. And this one is full base part, buta design, and base is premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane. Very exclusive one. And this one is running blouse piece, and one portion is pink shaded contrast border, one portion is yellow shaded contrast border. Very bright, beautiful, elegant looks. And this one is pallu, beautiful stripes pattern, contrast colors, weaving stripes pallu. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving, self weaving with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4400. 4400 for your beautiful, bright but elegant looks. Very beautiful one, purple base, soft silk. 24ZT10 is saree code, 2200 is a saree price. Very beautiful color, silver and golden zari work, golden zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk. And this one is full base part, beautiful golden and silver zari combined buta, full base. And this one is border portion, golden zari border. And this one is full base part, fully weaving buta, floral, silver and golden zari weaving buta. Very beautiful, elegant color. And this one is pallu part, pallu also fine golden zari stripes pallu. Very elegant one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, based for your office wear. Very beautiful one, very comfortable also. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta work, golden zari border. And this one is running blouse piece with border. And this one is full base part, golden and silver zari weaving buta work. And I will suggest this silk material with printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500. 2500 for your beautiful, smart daily looks. This one also based for your party wear, tissue silk, pure handloom, tissue silk with beautiful, fully heavy weaving work. 24JT11 is saree code, 3400 is saree price. Very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue silk, and full base part is weaving work. This one is full base part, contrast border with weaving design, red contrast border with weaving work. And this one is full base part, fully heavy weaving work, tissue silk. And this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color, red shaded with fully weaving work pallu. Very nice one, bright, beautiful looks, have sign also, tissue silk. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful work, contrast border. And this one is full base. And this one is running blouse piece, fully work, very beautiful one. Tissue silk, pure handloom tissue silk with beautiful weaving work. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving soft silk material, self weaving contrast blouse piece. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3800 for your beautiful, smart, bright party looks. This one also, very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations. 24ZT12 is saree code, 1900 is saree price. Very bright, beautiful color combinations. This one is, full base part. This one is full base part, bright mustard yellow shade with pink contrast with golden zari weaving design border. And this one is, pallu part, pallu also contrast color with fine golden zari weaving stripes pattern. Pallu, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk cotton material. This one is full base part, fine weaving design border and mustard yellow base with pink contrast pallu. And this one is, running blouse piece, plain with border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2400 for your beautiful bright looks. This one also, very beautiful one, beautiful color, bright color. 24ZT13 is saree code, 2200 is saree price. Very nice one, bright royal blue shade with beautiful weaving work, soft silk material, golden zari border, temple weaving design on border part. This one is, full base part. And this one is border portion, golden zari with temple weaving design. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine buta work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern with beautiful weaving buta design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, based for your office wear, regular wear, very smart looks, pure handloom, soft silk. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, golden zari with temple weaving design, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta. And this one is running blouse piece, plain. And I will suggest this beautiful cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2600 for your smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one also, very bright one, based for your beautiful party looks. 24ZT14 is saree code, 3500 is saree price. Very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with golden zari weaving Banarasi work, very exclusive one. Full base part is plain and border also very beautiful heavy work. This one is border design, fine weaving design, Banarasi work, border, beautiful color, wine shade. And this one is, pallu end, golden zari fine stripes with beautiful pom-pom design pallu. And this one is border portions, beautiful work, fully heavy golden zari weaving Banarasi work. Very exclusive one, bright, beautiful looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful golden zari weaving border design, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen material. And I will suggest this soft silk with self checks contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3800 for your smart, trendy, exclusive party looks. This one also, very beautiful, elegant one, beautiful work also. Let me open, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton, khadi cotton with beautiful weaving work, fully hand weaving work, very exclusive one. This one is, full base part, and this one is border design, fine weaving design, fully hand weaving design border, very nice one, soft, lightweight, pure handloom cotton. This one is full base part, fine weaving design, buta, full base part is buta design. And this one is, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, pure white base with beautiful weaving design, stripes pattern weaving design pallu, very exclusive one. And this one is, full base part, grey base with fine weaving, fine hand weaving butta, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, plain with border design, and this one is full base part, grey with fine hand weaving butta, and same this one is pallu part, contrast white color with beautiful hand weaving design. Pallu, very exclusive one. Beautiful weaving border design, very elegant also. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom khadi cotton. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3000 for your elegant exclusive summer looks. And you know, today I have draped a beautiful comfortable saree. Premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien with beautiful hand batik print. Full base part is beautiful batik printed. This one is contrast color, pink shaded, fully hand batik printed border. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand batik printed design. Pallu, very exclusive one. Very soft, comfortable, 3800 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.